parameter is 0.2 MA. The cable is at this part, this like this, black, red. Current DC cannot be AC, have to be DC. MA, the unit MA. So the pin connect into the battery with the red pin, black pin, like this. The lock, you can wake it up, but you have to check the data when it is sleeping. Turn out. So sleeping, the value is dropping. Okay, this is the dropping. So without Bluetooth module 008, with the module, okay, will be a little higher. Okay, 0.12, about this.